Welcome back to. Today, we're diving into the world of modern wooden coffee tables where style meets functionality. Whether you're redesigning your living space or just looking for inspiration, I'll show you how to choose the perfect coffee table that complements your home decor. From minimalist designs to rustic charm, let's explore how these stunning pieces can transform your living area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. The coffee table is more than just a piece of furniture. It serves as the centerpiece of a living room, a functional space for placing drinks, books, and decorative items, and a gathering spot for friends and family. Among various styles, modern wooden coffee tables have gained popularity due to their versatility, aesthetic appeal, and sustainability. Design characteristics: simplicity and minimalism. Modern wooden coffee tables often embody the principles of simplicity and minimalism. Clean lines, geometric shapes, and uncluttered surfaces define their design ethos. This simplicity allows the table to blend seamlessly into various interior styles, from contemporary to Scandinavian. Natural aesthetic. The use of wood brings a touch of nature indoors, providing warmth and texture that synthetic materials often lack. Many modern designs highlight the natural grain of the wood, showcasing its unique patterns and colors. Functional forms. Modern coffee tables are designed with functionality in mind. Many feature additional storage options, such as shelves or drawers, making them ideal for small living spaces. Some tables incorporate convertible designs, allowing them to serve multiple purposes, such as transforming into a dining table or a workspace. Variety of shapes. While traditional coffee tables are often rectangular, modern designs explore various shapes, including round, oval, and asymmetrical forms. These variations not only enhance aesthetic appeal but also create a more dynamic living space. Materials used. Types of wood. Common woods used in modern coffee tables include oak, walnut, maple, and teak. Each type offers distinct characteristics in terms of durability, color, and grain pattern. For instance, walnut provides rich, dark hues, while oak is lighter and has a pronounced grain pattern. Sustainable practices. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many manufacturers are adopting sustainable practices. This includes sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests and using reclaimed wood, which not only reduces waste but also adds character to the furniture. Mixed materials. Modern designs often incorporate mixed materials, combining wood with metal, glass, or stone. This combination can elevate the design, adding contrast and enhancing the visual appeal. For example, a wooden table with metal legs can create a sleek, industrial look. Functional aspects. Storage solutions. Many modern wooden coffee tables come with built-in storage options. This is particularly beneficial for small apartments where space is at a premium. Tables with lift-top designs allow for hidden storage, keeping the living area tidy. Multifunctionality. Some designs include features that allow the table to serve multiple functions. For instance, tables that can extend or convert into dining surfaces cater to varying needs, making them ideal for entertaining guests. Ease of maintenance. Wooden coffee tables are generally easy to maintain. Regular dusting and occasional oiling or sealing can keep them looking new. Many modern finishes are designed to resist scratches and stains, making them practical for everyday use. Trends in modern wooden coffee tables. Scandinavian influence. The Scandinavian design trend emphasizes functionality, simplicity, and minimalism. Modern wooden coffee tables often feature light woods, clean lines, and understated elegance, reflecting this influence. Eco-friendly designs. As sustainability becomes increasingly important to consumers, eco-friendly wooden coffee tables are gaining traction. Designs that use recycled materials or sustainable wood sources are appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. Customization. Many manufacturers now offer customizable options, allowing consumers to select wood type, finish, and size. This trend caters to individual preferences and enables buyers to create pieces that fit seamlessly into their existing decor. Artisanal craftsmanship. There's a growing appreciation for handcrafted furniture. Many consumers are seeking unique, artisanal wooden coffee tables that showcase craftsmanship and individuality, moving away from mass-produced items. Using a modern wooden coffee table in your home can enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Here are several ways to incorporate it effectively. Central focal point. Placement. Position the coffee table centrally in your living room, ideally in front of your sofa or seating area. This creates a natural gathering space. Design. Choose a table that complements your overall decor style, whether it's minimalist, rustic, or contemporary. Functional surface. Daily use. Use the table for everyday activities like placing drinks, snacks, or books. It's perfect for casual dining or working on a laptop. Storage solutions. Opt for tables with built-in storage, like drawers or shelves, to keep magazines, remote controls, or coasters organized. Decorative display. Centerpiece. Decorate the table with a stylish centerpiece, such as a vase of flowers, a decorative bowl, or a stack of coffee table books. Seasonal decor. Change decorations seasonally to refresh the look, think candles in winter or fresh flowers in spring. Zoning spaces. Defining areas. In open-plan living spaces, a coffee table can help define different areas. Use it to delineate the living room from the dining or kitchen space. Layering. Combine a coffee table with area rugs to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Entertainment hub. Games and activities. Use the table for board games, puzzles, or crafting activities with family and friends. Serving station. During gatherings, it can serve as a buffet or drink station, making it easy for guests to help themselves. Personal touch. Customization. Personalize your coffee table with items that reflect your personality, such as travel souvenirs, artwork, or family photos. DIY projects. Consider upcycling an old wooden table with paint or new hardware to match your style. Sustainable choice. Eco-friendly materials. Many modern wooden coffee tables are made from sustainably sourced wood. Highlight this aspect in your decor by pairing it with natural elements like plants or woven materials. Maintenance and care. Cleaning. Regularly dust and clean the surface to maintain its appearance. Use coasters to prevent water rings and scratches. Polishing. Depending on the finish, occasional polishing may be needed to keep the wood looking its best. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you liked this content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more great videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Check out these videos for more amazing content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.